Hey everyone, how's it going? Haven't made too many videos lately. Haven't had too much time to do them, but hopefully I'll start producing some more videos. I just wanted to do a little video explaining what kind of exhaust setup I have on the Mustang. A few people have asked, and I just have a standard muffler delete. I know some people just lob the mufflers off and leave them without like any exhaust tips or extensions to go out the back of the vehicle. It kind of just goes out into the rear bumper area. I wanted something a little bit cleaner, so I believe I went on eBay to get them. They're 4-inch stainless steel slanted tips. They're 18 inches long. They go from the standard 2 1/4 and they expand out to the 4-inch. They come right out the back. I'll throw a picture up so you can see. I welded them in. Made my own little exhaust brackets. The car is completely stock other than the muffler delete. More so for sound. The next thing I want to do when I get the chance would probably be coils, and I'll work my way up to like wheels and modding the engine eventually, but that'll be down the road. See if my YouTube will take off, help me out a little bit. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little video updating you with some things. But like I said, hopefully I'll get more videos out and soon. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good one.